Good morning, little mouse. How are you on this Sunday? Beautiful day today. Oh, I've been gardening most of the morning and Mouse has come to clean my boots. I daren't move. I think he's charging 1 peanut per boot. Oh dear. Sounds like Sparrowgang's noisy again. Goodness me. Look at him go. Oh my goodness, look, they're full of mud. Oh dear, look at him. He's doing a cracking job. Well done, Mouse. Hello, you. Quick look up. Oh dear, I've got to stay perfectly still. Goodness me. Absolutely amazing. Yeah, I've been doing gardening all morning. Brilliant. I nearly finished yet, Mouse. Goodness me. He's doing a thorough job.